In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your Deriv account to TradingView so you can analyze charts more effectively and improve your trading decisions. Let's begin. Now, first of all, make sure you already have accounts on both platforms, a Deriv account and a TradingView account. So I need you to log in to both of your accounts before moving on because this will make the process smoother. Once you're logged into TradingView, I want you to go to the products and then click the super charts. What will happen is you will be forwarded to a new page. All I have to do is click the trade button on the top right corner wherein you can trade with different brokers, and on the search bar I want you to type in Deriv and then click the connect button. Now all I have to do is authorize TradingView to access your account, because from here you can view your trading data, you can place trades by allowing the permission. Click the pink button and what will happen is you have now successfully connected Deriv with your TradingView. With this, you can backtest and refine your strategy before placing trades. You get access to community script and professional tools because TradingView offers cleaner charts and more advanced indicator than Deriv. And basically that's it for today's video on how to connect Deriv to TradingView. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.